Ever stared at a Trello board, packed with tasks, deadlines, and team assignments and thought, man, I wish I could just dump all this into Excel? You're not alone. We've all been there. You've got this beautiful visual workflow all organized, but suddenly you need to crunch numbers, create reports, or simply archive your data in a way that Trello just doesn't natively offer. You're thinking, can I export Trello to Excel? It's a question that pops up in project management meetings, in solo productivity sessions, and even in late-night brainstorming sessions. You're juggling multiple projects, trying to analyze progress, and you need a way to get that data out of Trello and into a format that lets you manipulate it. Think about it. You've spent hours, maybe even days, meticulously populating your Trello boards. You've created lists, added cards, assigned team members, set deadlines, and filled in descriptions. You've used labels and checklists to keep everything organized. Now, imagine you need to generate a progress report. You need to show your boss or client the status of each task, the time spent, and the overall project progress. Analyze team performance. You want to see who's completing tasks on time, who's struggling, and how much time each team member is spending on different projects. Create a budget breakdown. You need to track expenses associated with each task and generate a budget report. Archive old projects. You want to save a snapshot of your completed projects for future reference. Integrate with other tools. You need to combine Trello data with data from other sources, such as CRM or accounting software. Trello, while fantastic for visual project management, isn't designed for complex data analysis. That's where Excel comes in. It's the king of spreadsheets, the master of data manipulation. It's the tool you turn to when you need to crunch numbers, create charts, and generate reports. So, the burning question remains, can I export Trello to Excel? The short answer is yes, but it's not as straightforward as a simple export to Excel button. Trello doesn't have a direct, one-click export feature for Excel. However, there are several workarounds and methods you can use to get your Trello data into Excel. Let's break down the most common methods. 1. The copy and paste method, simple but limited. This is the most basic approach. You can manually copy and paste data from Trello cards into Excel. This works best for small boards with limited data. How to do it? Open a Trello card, select the text you want to copy, and paste it into an Excel cell. Repeat this process for each card and field you want to export. Pros. It's simple and requires no additional tools. Cons. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and not suitable for large boards. It also doesn't preserve formatting or relationships between data. 2. Exporting as a CSV, separated values. Trello allows you to export your boards as a JSON file. While not directly Excel compatible, this JSON file can be converted to a CSV file, which Excel can open. How to do it? In Trello, go to your board menu and select More. Choose Print and Export. Select Export as JSON. Use an online JSON to CSV converter. There are many free options available. To convert the JSON file to a CSV file, open the CSV file in Excel. Pros. It exports all your board data, including cards, lists, labels, and checklists. Cons. The CSV file may require some cleaning and formatting in Excel. The data structure might not be ideal for complex analysis. You will likely have to filter and rearrange the data to make it usable. Considerations. JSON files are raw data. The conversion will not be perfect, and you will need to spend time organizing the data. 3. Using Power UPS and integrations. Trello offers a variety of Power UPS and integrations that can help you export your data to Excel or other spreadsheet formats. Power UPS. Some Power UPS, such as Export for Trello, provide direct export functionality to CSV or Excel. These Power UPS often offer more advanced features, such as filtering and formatting options. Search the power-ups available within Trello for export or CSV. Integrations. Tools like Zapier and Integromat can automate the process of exporting Trello data to Excel or Google Sheets. These integrations allow you to create workflows that automatically transfer data whenever a card is created or updated. These tools often require a subscription. Pros: these methods can be more efficient and offer more customization options. Cons: some Power UPS and integrations may require a subscription. 4. Third-party tools and services. Several third-party tools and services are specifically designed to export Trello data to Excel. These tools often provide more advanced features, such as data mapping, custom reporting, and scheduled exports. Examples: some tools will directly connect to your Trello account and allow you to select which data you want to export and how you want it formatted. Pros: these tools can save you time and effort and provide more control over the export process. Cons: these tools may require a subscription. Always research the tool and its reputation before using it. Choosing the right method. The best method for exporting Trello data to Excel depends on your specific needs and the size of your board. For small boards with limited data, the copy and paste method may suffice. For larger boards, exporting as a CSV and using a JSON to CSV converter is a good option. For more advanced features and automation, Power UPS, integrations, or third-party tools are recommended. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.